Hi and welcome to Taromovies. In this video I like to show you a very simple method how to prepare thistle seeds for the use with flint and steel. And if you like, please join me. The best time to collect thistle seeds is the late summer season or early autumn. The seeds are very good tinder material because even unprepared they catch the spark in the ember easily, so it makes them perfect to put them in the center of a tinder bundle like here, or light them with the sparks of a ferro rod. But please remember, they will catch the spark easy and burn also very fast down. And if you like to light the seeds with your flint and steel kit, you need a little preparation. And for the process, I'm using some ashes, in this case some beech ashes. I'm sure some other hardwood ashes would work, or even from other wood. Put a little amount into a cup. The next step is just to put the seeds into the cup. And for that we're taking this part here off, so it falls apart and gets really fluffy. So we can already start to mix the seeds and the ash, and only a little amount of water. And you mix it carefully until it gets like a duff or a little muddy. So that's actually all. Then I smash it a little bit. So it looks like this. Not very tasty. But now I form something like an pad, not too thick. I make it very flat, because if it's too thick it takes too much time, or it takes longer to let it dry. All we have to do now is drying the pad, and depending on the season of the year or on the weather condition, if you dry it outside, it might take several days until it's really dry. Of course, I did already some preparation, and after the drying process this pad is very compact and also very light, and it's very easy to carry. So let's see if it works with the flint and steel spark. So I'm taking here a piece off, looks like this. and places on the edge of the flint. So it's glowing. It's into the tinder bundle. Oxygen to it. Here we are. Let's start the fire. I really hope you like this simple idea about how to create some flint and steel tinder, and you will join Taromovies the next time again. Thanks for watching, tschüss, ciao und bye bye.